Good afternoon, everybody. It is 9:51 a.m. and I'm going to be recapping the trade I took yesterday. Let's get into it. So starting off, we have ACHR. If anybody wants to hop on that market, I doubt you do. But yeah, we have ACHR, and this is the trade I took. So basically, I took a loss today, and it is because, not today, yesterday. And it is because the market fucking faked out, and the Trump shit has been going on with the tariffs and shit with China. So markets have been fucked recently, but that's a-okay because I know what I did wrong, and I'm about to break it down to y'all. So looking at the daily chart, you could already see we are in a base like flag, I would say, right? We're in a base flag, right? So mainly I'm looking to get above these highs right here, right? So I'm waiting for the breakout to happen above these highs. And you could already see before it multiple rejections at this level. So this is a very important level in the market. And you could see on the weekly it's probably a base too. Yep. So on the weekly, when this breaks out, it's gonna break out really fucking hard, chat. I'm just letting you guys know. So looking at the daily, you see whole bunch of levels where it rejected from. This is a very important level. And going to the 4 hour, you can see whole bunch of resistance, right? Boom, rejected, consolidated, came back up, rejected, then fucking absolutely died, right? So looking at the 1 hour, we just keep scaling down. You want to see what is happening on all of the higher time frames, and then you just want to skip down to the 5 minute, right? So I'm at the 1 hour now, right? You could obviously see price got very tight, absolutely almost braked and had the biggest break of the century, and then absolutely faked out and came all the way back down to keep going down lower, right? So you could already see on the 5 minute, where did I enter? This is where I entered, right? So you could already see pre-market. Pre-market tried to come up, it faked out, right? Consolidated a little bit. Market open, price absolutely shot up, and then faked out, right? So my breakout level was, like I said, over this high, right? I wouldn't do it over like this high because there's just, this is the highest high that the base was at. So looking at the 5 minute, I didn't do the previous day high because of that. So we had our level, right? Let me delete that. We had our level, price broke above it with high volume, and then it closed. What do we do when price breaks above a level with high volume and closes above that level with no wicks? We buy, right? So boom, bought right there, stop loss at low of day. It came up, I was up around 30% right here, and then it absolutely tanked. So shit happens, right? I know exactly what I did in this trade, and that's exactly why I'm not fucking tripping over it, right? Let's look over our confluences again. Why did I enter this trade, right? So we had a base, we have a 11% almost ADR. That's fucking amazing. ADR just means average daily range. I say this a lot. It's just the percent at which a stock moves on average. So yeah, so we have the base. On the weekly chart, we also have another base. I haven't showed it on the video, but you could just see, right? We're in a base. We had a big move up and then consolidation after that. And then on the 5 minute, we had a lot of volume, and then it just rejected. Also, the stock market has been absolutely crashing these last few days, because of the tariffs and China and Trump fucking tweeting about it every 2 seconds. What I would say is you need to be taking a step back. You know, don't over leverage because these markets right now are kind of fucked. Not that they're like terrible, right? Because crypto people are making amazing bank right now. But you know, Barron Trump and shit trying to fucking full port shorts and shit, making hella bread from his dad and shit. You know, we just have to really take a second and understand what's going on, you know, de-risk, you know, take a step back, maybe not even trade some of the days, right? You don't have to trade every day, right? I didn't trade today. I'm looking at Tesla because Tesla wants to break out of this fucking range so bad, but it's just faking out. Every single time we get close to this range, it fakes out, right? So I'm just waiting, right? You could see there's a wedge. And then once we get above 440, that shit's going to absolutely fly to the moon. And Tesla is a very, very momentum stock. You could see, bro. Like, we had a big-ass move to the upside, followed by consolidation. And that is a great sign that price is going to absolutely fucking pump to these highs and then cause even higher highs, bro, to all-time highs for Tesla. Bro, Tesla is such a great stock, bro. Elon Musk and shit. Oh my gosh, I literally had this marked out. I talked about it on TikTok when this fucking big ass fucking rip just happened, bro, and I didn't take it, bro. Like, I literally missed out on this, bro. I get so much FOMO from this. No cap, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Like, I don't use the FOMO as like a coping mechanism when I'm trading, but I'll look at this and be like, damn, I really knew that this was gonna happen, you know? Like, holy shit. I'm a 16-year-old day trader that knew where the fucking market was gonna go. And it's insane to me, bro. Like, if I knew that this was gonna happen, then I could be profitable, bro. Because I knew it was gonna happen, so why can't I know that this is gonna happen as well, right? Because I know it's gonna happen. There's so many levels where this rejected from. So when this breaks, it's gonna break hard, right? This is gonna break hard too. This is gonna break to all-time highs for sure. I think Tesla's gonna be all-time highs by like fucking February of next year. Like, genuinely, that's how I feel. So yeah, hope you guys had an amazing day. I know you see me. Yeah. Let me get close. Let me actually move this mic over here. If you don't get your shit together, bro, I'm genuinely going to have to disown you as a viewer and I appreciate you for watching this video all the way through, but fuck, man. What are we doing? Like, you have to do something. Please. I don't want to see you fail. I don't want to be in my high rise and then I have to see you fucking be a bitch ass nigga. Just don't do that. So, yeah. Try to do breakouts instead of ICT. And stop using those fundeds. Fat fuck.